Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to type Facet Quote in MS Word. You know the Facet Quote is one of the pre-designed full quote styles built into Microsoft Word. It is the stylish way to highlight important text or a callout in a professional looking box with distinct borders and formatting. So for this, you need to click on the insert and click on the text box, and here on the right side you will see that Facet Quote. You just need to click on that. So now you can insert and customize the Facet Quote, and you need to click it to drop it to your documents. You can then click inside the text box to type your own text. So I have a copy of text I'll be pasting over here like this one. Now you have to highlight a key sentence and put it in the Facet Quote box to make it pop. So this is the punchy statement, so you need to highlight it by Control B to make it highlight. And now cite your source here. For example, Peter Drucker handsome. You can italicize the code, click on the home and make it italicized. Moreover, you can go to the shape format and change the theme style to of your choice like this one. And even you can change the shape fill color of solid color here, and you can change the outlines from here. Also, you can extend the size from this white point. You can stretch it like this one, and you can even rotate it like this one. So this way you can easily insert Facet Quote in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.